Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, we are going to be talking about face creams. Now, before we proceed, my name is AB. I talk about skincare, I talk about lifestyle, I talk about beauty. So if you like what we do here, hit the subscribe button, okay? Like, share my videos, leave your thoughts in the comment section. This is a community and your thoughts are welcomed, all right? On today's video, we're going to be talking about face creams in details. Yes, I've done a video on face creams and I think that video did pretty well, all right? So on today's video, I'm going to be talking about face creams in details. Yes, in details. I'm not going to be leaving any stone unturned. Now, before we proceed, I need you to understand that face creams are categorized into three basic categories. We have based on the purpose. Why are you using a face cream? Why do you want to use a face cream? Okay, we have based on skin type. What skin type do you have? Are you dry skin? Are you sensitive skin? Are you combination skin? Okay, and we have based on key ingredients. What are the ingredients these face creams contain and how will it benefit my skin? Now, on today's video, I'm going to be focusing only on the purpose. We have four basic categories based on purpose. We have the anti-aging face creams, we have the moisturizing face creams, we have the skin barrier repair face creams, and of course, we have the brightening face creams. The first one is the moisturizing face creams. These are the face creams you use when you just want to hydrate your skin, moisturize it. Probably you feel your skin is too dry. These are the face creams you lay your hands on to keep your skin, to help your skin lock in moisture. Okay, you can use them every day. They don't contain any active ingredients. All the ingredients they contain are either soothing ingredients and moisturizing ingredients, nothing much and nothing less. Examples of these moisturizers include the CeraVe moisturizing cream. Okay, it contains ceramides and hyaluronic acid, which is going to help your skin to lock in moisture, add hydration to your skin. Okay, now if you're dry to very dry skin and you're eczema prone, you should get this face cream because it is going to help you to fight eczema and it is going to help your skin to stay hydrated for a very long period of time. We have the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. This is for normal to oily skin. If you have normal to oily skin, you're free to get this moisturizer. It is suitable for your skin. We also have the Nivea Soft. This one is literally everywhere. The Simple Light Moisturizer, the La Roche-Posay Effaclar Matte Moisturizer. These are all face creams that you can use if you want to add more hydration to your skin. Now let's talk about the anti-aging face creams. These are the kind of face creams you use if you want to target fine lines, wrinkles, and even age spots. If you feel like your skin is aging faster, these are the kind of face cream you can include in your skincare routine. These kind of face creams often contain retinol, peptides, and even collagen. They're going to help you to fade fine lines and those skin concerns that comes as a result of aging. Some examples of this anti-aging face cream include Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair. It contains retinol and glucose complex and it is going to help you if you want to fight aging and make your skin feel revived. Another example is the Olay Regenerist Micro Sculpting Cream. It contains niacinamide, peptides, and some other ingredients that are going to help your skin feel revived. So if you have this kind of skin concern, feel free to use any of these face cream. And if you have a sensitive skin, the Olay Regenerist Micro Sculpting face cream is going to help you if you have a very sensitive skin. Now let's talk about the most common one you all always look out for. We have the brightening face creams. The brightening face creams are basically face creams you use if you want to fight dull skin. If your skin is looking dull, these are the kind of face cream you should get. They usually contain niacinamide, vitamin C, and all those brightening ingredients. First example of a brightening face cream is the Nivea Natural Fairness. This contains licorice root extract and it contains vitamin C and is suitable for normal to dry skin. If you have a normal to dry skin, then you're free to use this one. It is going to help you to brighten your face and it's also going to help you to fade uneven skin tone. Second example of a brightening face cream you can equally use is the Olay Luminous Tone Perfecting Cream. It contains niacinamide and glycerin. It is for all skin type. So if you have a dull skin, you can as well use this one. It is quite good and effective. Over to the last category, which is the Barrier Repair Face Cream. Like I said earlier, this is for people who have compromised skin barrier. Those people with burning sensation, you don't understand what your skin feels like. This is the kind of face cream you should use, because once your skin starts feeling irritated, any product you use, whether it is a wash you use, your skin is always reacting. It means you have a compromised skin barrier. And yes, you can use any of these face creams I'm going to be mentioning. Now, examples of some barrier repair face creams include the Eucerin Advanced Repair Face Cream. If you have a dry, sensitive skin, this face cream is very suitable for your skin type, so you can get this one and use it to address your compromised skin barrier. The next one is the La Roche-Posay Cicaplast Biome B5. This contains panthenol as the active ingredient, and if you have been following me for a long time here, you will remember that I always say that panthenol is a soothing ingredient, so it's going to help your skin feel calm, and you will stop feeling that burning sensation that you're feeling as a result of compromised skin barrier. If you're also sensitive skin, this face cream is going to help you a whole lot. Yes, you can also use a simple moisturizing face cream. Example is the Simple Light Moisturizer. That is going to help you because it does not contain any active ingredient. It's just a plain moisturizer. So it's going to help you if you're on a budget. Another one for dry skin is the Face Facts Barrier Complex Repair Face Cream. So if you have a compromised barrier and you want something that is going to help you to heal your skin barrier faster, these are the face moisturizers or face creams you can invest on. They are going to help you a whole lot. That is all for today. I hope you learned something. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I'm eager to read from you. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my very next one. Bye.